Let's do number 2. I've created a 3 by 5 by 2 inch block, and I will show you the 3 ways in which we could do this. Start a sketch. Let's try the top to start. Choose my home view to get back into a nice isometric view or 3D view. I'm going to use my rectangle tool and draw a rectangle from this green dot corner. I'm going to make the rectangle a 2 tab 3, which will grab that entire piece. I'm going to then finish the sketch, choose extrude, and I should push this down 1 inch. And 1 is already in the box, but I could change that to a number if I wanted. If I say OK now, I have completed number 2 by drawing a rectangle on the top and pushing it down. I'm going to cancel this and back up using my backwards arrow, and I'm going to draw it from this face. If I did it from the face, I'm also going to use my rectangle tool. This time I'm going to choose this corner and open up my box, and I'm going to use the blue box needs to be a 2 tab 1 to create the proper size rectangle to remove. Finish it, choose extrude, reverse the arrow. Now if you take a look at number 3, I'm actually doing number 3 without trying to. I actually want to make this distance say all, and you'll notice it pushes the entire thing. So you could have easily have made 3 using this technique as well. I'm going to hit cancel though and show you one more way. We'll draw it from the right side face. Start a sketch on that face. Go back to home view. This time draw a rectangle from either this corner or this corner. Doesn't matter as long as it's large enough. A little trick here is I can bring my mouse all the way to the edge and touch this line. It forces the blue box to be 3. I'll hit tab even though my number says 1. It's just by luck and by the fact I'm touching the green dot, which is the halfway spot. So I can type 1 and enter and make that a 1 by 1. Oop, do this again. I did not hit enter. There. Next. Finish the sketch and push this one the other direction. Not enough though. 1 inch will not do it, so I need to change this number to 2. Because if you looked, it would not have created this proper shape. Okay, at that point, I can say OK. And I showed you 3 different ways to make number 2.